Okay, so yeah, we stopped off. I got the Bragg's coconut liquid aminos. Um, I have curry powder. I have thyme and dried tomato, as I said, and I throw in some pitted prunes. Okay, and to give it a little sweet taste, you can use, if you don't want to use prunes, you can use raisins. You know. So all right. So now what I'm gonna do, so the tools that you'll need is I have here a food processor. Okay, food processor, and the Excalibur food dehydrator. That's what these are sitting on, the Excalibur food dehydrator. All right. So I'm gonna break this. Sorry about the hand over the video. I'm gonna break this up, and I'm gonna start to put this in the food dehydrator, and we're gonna come back.